Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we have got a new update to check out. It's been a while since we've had an update actually, but yeah, this is update 25.2 now. So yeah, it's been a long time since we had, I think it was 25.1 here with the Light It Up update. And now we are on 25.2 and the even more colour in space update. So when I saw this, as soon as I saw the picture at the top with those custom city lights, I was very interested to getting into making this video today. So this is a minor update that brings even more appearance options, this time to clouds, galaxies, and asteroids. Now that's something that I know a lot of people have been asking for. Clouds, so different coloured clouds to the atmosphere colour, because it's always been whatever colour the atmosphere is, that's the colour of the cloud. So that can now be changed. So you don't have to name your planet Earth anymore to get white clouds, I'm guessing. So galaxies as well. That's something I've seen a lot of people ask for, and I'd be quite interested in that as well. City lights. So you can now change the colour of city lights, as you can see in that picture up there. Toggle snow visuals on or off to help distinguish snow from sea ice. Right. Asteroid makeover. Asteroids received a complete visual overhaul and color correction. Cool. All right. Awesome. Yeah, another asteroid upgrade. That was definitely welcome. Improved energy simulation. Energy flow calculations now including lasers, explosions, and impacts. Learn more about how the energy works in our new heating guide. Is that a new guide then? Okay, we'll have to check that out. Now I've also got the full details up here as well. So there's also some fixes. So simulations with broken surface data can now be opened. Okay, that's pretty cool. City lights no longer appearing incorrectly on some rocky objects. Black hole radius can now be manually changed. So yeah, because that's a glitch. It goes way back, as far as I know. And yeah, whenever you tried inputting custom numbers into a black hole, it blew up. Like it just made it messed up real bad. So there's also improved asteroid visuals, lasers, impact, heat, and explosions are now incorporated into our unified energy flow calculations seen in the surface tab of an object's property panel. These heating sources will now be reflected in a display in heating rate and temperature, and are affected by an object's heat capacity. Right, restored and improved object heating due to nearby explosions. All right, awesome. City lights on Earth are now brighter and in higher definition. Okay, awesome. And then fixes simulations of corrupted. Okay, so we already this is kind of a shame. City lights can no longer appear on a small number of random objects, so they've sort of removing the city lights spawning on random ones. Fix an issue where Earth could incorrectly gain mass when changing its composition. Oh wow. And then simulations, yeah, corrupted surface data can be opened. And then obviously new customization, clouds, asteroids, galaxies, city lights. That sounds awesome, and we're going to be checking that out right now. So let's go ahead and close the menu. First of all, we are going to be hopping to Earth, and I'm going to check just to make sure I am on the highest graphics possible here. So yeah, I'm on high here. Yes, we're on high on everything. We can turn it up to 8 as well to get like maximum out of the game. So let's go all the way down here. So Earth has got brightened city lights. Oh wow, they look brighter, all right. Wow. Yeah, they're definitely brighter, and the definition definitely looks very cool. You can sort of see where the cities are now of the brighter areas. So let's go over. I want to have a look at the yeah, I want to have a look at the United Kingdom. Just have a little look here. So, oh yeah, you can really see London, for example, right there. You can see London up here. I'm guessing we have got a Manchester, Liverpool area up here. Edinburgh will be at the very top, all the way over there. If we look into France, we can see Paris, I'm assuming there. So you can see all the capitals and stuff. They light up a lot more. That's really cool. I wouldn't mind taking a peek at America as well. So there we go. And you can sort of see Africa, obviously South Africa got the most there. You see India and China. They got absolutely loads. This is really cool. So let's just slow down time a bit. So there we go. So I want to have a look at America. Yeah, here we go. Because I was assuming America would have a lot. Look at all of that. That's amazing. So you can see down Florida there. Obviously the New York area. I mean, you can see California up there as well. I mean, look at that. That looks awesome. South America as well there. Really cool. What about Australia? We haven't looked at Australia yet. So there we go. How's Australia doing? Yeah, there is Australia, New Zealand. Very nice indeed. Anything on Antarctica? I'm guessing not, but maybe. Right, yeah, but there we go. So that is Earth's upgrade. So yeah, we can actually use Earth as our tester for this as well. So let's just get it. So we've got a lot of lights. Now, the new options. So appearance, right. So cloud color. Look at that. So default would obviously be the color of the atmosphere, or if it's named Earth. So I'm guessing if I just name it to anything. So there we go. So these would these go back to normal? Oh, even if you... No, there we go. So let's just get rid of the Earth. Completely remove Earth. Oh, it's got white clouds without even being named Earth now. So I'm guessing that new setting. So cloud color is white. Oh, yes, look at that. So custom. So if you put this to default, it will go back to white. But when you click the custom button, any color you want on Earth. Oh, wow. That's awesome. That is so awesome. So you could have a less cloudy Earth in theory if you made them blue. Or you could have more bluish clouds if you wanted. I mean, you could really sort of try and fade these out and have like a very... or slightly different looking Earth. I mean, that is really, really cool. So we still have the interface color, city lights color. Here we go. So this is the other new option here, and you can change the height map from Earth to the regular lights. Oh wow, okay. So custom city lights color default. So let's go back to Earth. There we go. So city light color. Oh wow, look at that. You could have white lights now, because the only way you used to be able to do custom city lights, you had to tint a planet. But now that's completely pointless. You don't need to mod objects anymore to do that. You can now do it fully in game. So you can make Earth look a lot more modern with all the white lights. Wow. So any color you could think of. Red. Wow, that's looking really cool. So we've got red. We'll go through all the colors. So we've got more of an orange, more of a yellow, greenish sort of lime green there. But yeah, there you go. So there's yellow. And we can go to the greens. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Green lights on Earth looks very, very unique. Wow. So then we can go to blue. Oh wow, this is so cool. So then we've got Neptune blue sort of colored lights. I mean, man, we've got to make a new system. I think I've got to make a new system just with all of these features. I mean, how cool is that? Wow. So there we go. And then moving on to the purples and the pinks. So there's the purple looking good, the pink, and then back to the red at the bottom again. So awesome. That is absolutely awesome. And then we can go obviously to cloud color, any color you want. Atmosphere can be any color you want, so you could make a funky ultra red Earth here. That's awesome. One thing I do want to try as well is I'm just going to bring in some custom objects here. I want to try the old party Earth. I want to see if we can make it even more funky with this new update, because this is awesome. Custom cloud colors, so you don't have to have matching clouds with the atmosphere anymore. You don't have to name an object Earth to get white clouds. You can have any color you want with any atmosphere color you want. That's amazing. Really, really cool. And yeah, I think it's great that the dev team, because I know a lot of people were requesting these stuff. I've seen in the Universe Sandbox Discord, a lot of people have said in my videos and my comments and just told me before as well, stuff like this they wanted to see. And the fact that it's actually in the game now, I think that's really, really cool. So here is the party Earth. This is an old modded object here. And this one has some funky colours on it, as you can see. So there we go. It looks to be a little flooded up by the newer updates, so it may have actually ruined this thing a bit. Let's just... Wow, this thing is very ruined now. Wow. But yeah, there we go. So that's the old party. It looks like the updates completely ruined this, actually. But yeah, there we go. So if we just have a little look at the lights. I just want to see what they'd look like on this guy. So height map is Earth. Illuminate always. Wow, the city lights don't even work on this. So this object's completely compromised now. That's a shame. I wanted to try some cool tests on it. Rest in peace, party Earth there. But yeah, there we go. So regular Earth again. Ultra red. Now we're going to move on to the asteroids. So I do want to check out some of these guys. So what do asteroids look like now? So it was all the way down here. This one is a complete sphere, so what if we make them smaller? Does that do anything? You can sort of see it's taking shape a little better. So is it going to make more shape? I mean, I can't really tell too many differences. I think it looks a little more smooth than it was before. I'm not really sure. But they did say, I'll just go back to the patch notes here. So improvements, where are we? Improved asteroid visuals. So there's definitely something going on with asteroid visuals. I mean, I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll go into the old version just quickly after this recording, and I'll try and get a side-by-side comparison of the old and the new, maybe. So if I just get... Yeah, there we go. So I could probably do a side-by-side comparison. That'd be quite cool, actually. But yeah, there we go. So that is this object right here. So hopefully you're seeing, or you've seen it already, but hopefully I've edited that in. But yeah, there we go. So that is the asteroids. Right, now I want to try the galaxies. So yeah, we've done the rocky planets. We've done the city lights. We have done the clouds, so clouds, city lights. So now we have got the galaxies to do. So that should be interesting. So yeah, we've looked at clouds, we've looked at city lights, asteroids are done. All that's left are the galaxies and then the snow visuals. I want to try the snow visuals as well. So let's go into a new simulation. Now let's see what the galaxies look like. So galaxy customization. Can we do it in any color? I mean, that's what I'd think of if they said galaxy customization. So let's go with the pinwheel. Why not? So Pinwheel Galaxy, right, here we go. What can we do to this guy? Right, so customization. How do we customize these guys? So Pinwheel itself, here we go. Can we customize anywhere? Color. Oh my, really? So, oh my god, okay. This looks awesome. So default, custom. Oh, go all the way, stop scrolling the menu. Right, there we go, custom. Right, colors. Oh my god, that looks menacing. Oh, wowee. Okay, that is all blue galaxy. Man, the size comparison video I'm making this year, that's going to be awesome. With all the... I can make different color galaxies and stuff now. That is... Oh, look at this. Okay, this is awesome. Wow. I mean, that is so cool. I mean, maybe down the road they could add more than one option for different parts of the galaxy or something. But I mean, that is... Wow. Very, very impressive stuff. I mean, that looks awesome. Look at that. Let's try it with the different types. So if I go to galaxy type, let's try a irregular, for instance. So there you go. So we've got a giant puff of clouds there. That's cool. And we'll also try the elliptical. So there we go. So there's the elliptical one. Wow, this is really cool. So then we can switch it back to the regular colours. So default, that's what obviously it would normally look like. So you had the three sort of colours. So you had a regular, which was always looking like that. Elliptical was the blah. Where's the yellow one? Go back to the yellow one. No? You're not going to let me... What happened to the yellow elliptical galaxy? Come on, stop messing around, game. And then we obviously had Spiral as well there. But let's go actually spawn in. So here we go, a yellow galaxy. IC1101, very big. So yeah, that's what the yellow ones would normally look like. So you've got all the different colours here. I mean, look how big IC1101 is. God damn. So if we put this to custom, oh my god. Alright, and then you can make it completely blacked out as well. I mean, look how menacing that looks. Redshift Galaxy. I mean, that's awesome. That is so cool. I mean, wow. Very, very. This is really cool for people. For people who like customization. I mean, green galaxy. I mean, look how unique that looks. I mean, green stars already don't exist, but a whole galaxy that's green. I mean, this is just wow. I mean, actually going inside the galaxy as well. I mean, that is amazing. Wow. So yeah, all green galaxy there. That's amazing stuff. So really cool. So you can fully customize galaxies. That is really, really cool. Very, very nice job to the developers for that. Very, 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 very nice indeed. Really, really enjoyed checking through all this stuff. That is awesome. Yeah, I've definitely got to make some more systems, I think, with all these new options and stuff. But yeah, the last thing I need to do is these snow visuals. So let's go ahead and try an Earth again. So we'll let the Earth freeze up a bit. So we'll go into our good old regular simulation. So let's go to the custom one. Why not? So we go. Let's go to the enhanced one. There we go. So yeah, my favourite one to mess around with. So here we go. So the enhanced coloured solar system. Right, Earth. Let's head to you. So Earth. Here we go. Right, so how are we doing? So, yeah, what I want to do here is I'm going to push it a little further away from the sun. So, let's just I'll drag it a little further away. I want it to freeze up a bit. So, there we go. So, auto orbit. Click play. So, this should start freezing. And then I want to see the snow visuals. So, we're going to... So, is it... City lights are off. Oh, I can re-enable those and fix my Earth, finally. There we go. But, yeah, where are these... So, is it surface? How do I see the snow visuals? Maybe it's on the height map stuff? I'm not... Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. So, is it the... where's the ice one? Temperature, blah, blah. Ice thickness. Is there a way to sort of see... How do we view this new ice setting? That's what I want to find. So, let me just try and read through this again. So, toggle snow visuals on or off. How do we do that? So, I don't see where the option for that is. Let me just see if I can look into the core here. So, see if I can just find... So, let's see here. So, Snow Visibility toggle is added to the Appearance tab of an object's property panel. So, Appearance... So, where is it here? Am I just being blind? Surface Materials? I think that was already in the game, wasn't it? So, where is this new option? I mean, I could be completely blind here. Show Snow. There we go. Yes, there we go. So, the snow... You can turn snow on and off now. That's awesome. So, maybe objects that were always frozen and stuff, maybe those can finally be fixed now. Really, really like that. I think that's really cool. So there goes. There's obviously Earth. We can have a little better look at it now. So if we just pause it, so we look at America here. Obviously, we can see a lot of snow on and off. So you can have it switched off, and then you wouldn't have any snow ruining your worlds anymore. You can see Antarctica. Look at Antarctica without the snow and stuff. So there you go. So with and without the snow. So look at that. So there's still actually some snow on it there. I think that's probably just part of the object texture. You can see in the North Pole as well. That seems a little buggy to me because obviously we know the North Pole, there's no physical land there. Greenland is the highest sort of land. The North Pole itself, unlike Antarctica, which is actually solid land under all that ice and snow, the North Pole is just frozen ocean. So that seems a little wrong to me, but I mean it's only a really Oh wait, hang on. Oh no, it was there the whole time. Let's just try a fresh Earth because obviously this is from an older version. So let's go to a fresh Earth. Okay, so this is where it should all be fine. So snow on and off. Oh, maybe it's doing on this one as well. So, show snow. Oh, no, even on this regular Earth, the snow still shows up when you turn the snow off. So, I mean, I guess that's probably just a glitch added with this new stuff. I mean, yeah, it does look a little funny with all that, but I'm guessing maybe it's because we've not actually run the Earth in a sim yet. So let's just go to just a completely fresh simulation, because we don't want to say there's a bug when there isn't or anything. So, solar system, so a completely fresh system. The Earth in here is running. So this object here, so let's see here. So here we go. So slow it down. There we go, nice and easy. So turn the clouds, hide the clouds. So snow off. No, even on the regular Earth, it appears to still be showing snow when you turn the snow off. That's quite a funny one, actually. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, so there it is. So flashlight. So there you go. Snow on, snow off. So it still kind of shows the snow. Kind of a weird glitch, I have to say. But yeah, there you go. So there is that Earth. But yeah, guys. Other than that, that seems to be everything for this new update. So I think as we end off, I do want to quickly just try some of my old planets. So let's just try my good old Pascal here. So okay, now that's kind of broken. So let's just I'll just remove all the water from this guy. That's kind of a shame, but so that's what it should look like. Let's just give it a new surface texture. There we go. So then we can add the water back. Oh, even when you do that, it's still kind of weird. But yeah, let's just remove all that. Maybe just tip it once. Right, so then I'm going to put it to 50 degrees. Oh, God. Okay, whoa. Yeah, we're going to do this around a star. So, there we go. But yeah, it seems like the game still may have a few glitches in it, involving the ice and the water levels and things like that, as we just saw from Pascal there. But that was an older version of the object. Oh, what if I try one of the crazy clouded objects? Maybe those could be customized. I mean, the cloud. Oh no, it's like the clouds are completely reset to white clouds now. But yeah, there we go. So this Pascal's working. I say that. I mean, it's just changed, but oh well. I mean, we're trying our best here. So, okay, just stay above 0 degrees, my friend. Come on. You should have enough atmosphere with your stats to do this. Come on, don't get too cold. Where's it? Come on. No, don't do that to us. Where's the atmosphere mass? Here we go. So let's put it back to 180. That's what it should be at 180. There we go. So that should or I'll just put 1.2. There we go, just to boost it up. So that should keep it warm. Stop freezing. Come on. Okay, we're moving you closer to the sun. Then you're not messing us around. So there you go. That should surely be warming up now. Come on. Still getting cold. Really? Yeah, maybe the glitch of surface pressure is still a thing, where you can put it to ridiculously high amounts and it still gets cold. Yeah, look, even at the distance of Venus, closer than Venus, it has roughly similar surface pressure to Venus, but it's still getting cold with 70 ATM. So, yeah, I think the ATM and the albedo and stuff, I reckon that's probably a glitch that should probably be looked into. I doubt the devs are watching this, but I mean, maybe it's because it's tidally locked as well. I'm guessing, yeah, is it tidally locked? Come on, why are you tidally locked? I don't remember having you tidally locked. But yeah, that's just me being stupid. Look, that's there. But yeah, the atmosphere pressure, even then, it looks like it's slightly warming up now. There we go. But yeah, in the older versions, you could have really high atmosphere pressures and it wouldn't like warm up whatsoever. So I think that may still be a glitch that's around, but obviously I can't really confirm it. So albedo's at 0. Right, so let's actually give it some rotation time. Yeah, so there we go. 24 hours, 24 seconds. No. So days, 1 day, there we go. Nice and easy. So that should hopefully melt all that ice. So there we go. Let's just add and remove the water just to make it all work. So there we go. Just add some back. It's still a little glitch, but it is an object from an old version, so you just have to roll with it, I guess. I mean, what I could do is actually just make a whole new fresh one. So, since we can pretty much customize everything in the game now, I mean, I could just make a brand new Pascal, actually. So let's try it with a fresh object. So we're completely glitch-free. We're working with everything in this game. So there we go. So we've got this one now. So click play. So that water should all start to work. So now let's try the atmosphere glitch from the older versions. So I'm going to put it to a stupid high amount. So we'll go to 100 ATM, and this should easily warm it up. So the question is, will it? So it's at 270 degrees. We'll put it to 0. Is it going to warm up? It should be skyrocketing with this sort of ATM pressure. So 200 ATM. And we'll also lower the albedo. So it's already lowered. So yeah, it should be getting as much heat. So let's put it to 100 degrees. Is it going to warm up or cool down? Because if it cools down, then I'll still say that weird glitch may still be going on. But let's speed up. We'll let it run for a bit. Let's see what it does. So okay, it's warming up. All right, cool. But it doesn't. In the older versions, it did warm up a lot faster than that. So maybe something's still around. I mean, we'll see how high it goes. So 119, I mean, we're playing it at a ridiculous speed here, so, yeah, I mean, look how fast we're running. We'll go really, really fast here. I mean, look. So that is, yeah, and then when you run it that fast, it sort of breaks the temperatures anyway. But yeah, as we can see, it doesn't seem like having a high surface pressure really fixes much still, even at this distance. Maybe they just changed stuff where it doesn't make it stupid high anymore. But I would think that with that amount of atmosphere pressure, you probably would be getting a little hotter than 120 degrees when you're closer than the orbit of Venus. Yeah, see, even Venus itself, this was a fresh simulation, remember? Even Venus, minus 80 degrees. So I think the atmospheres, I definitely think they should be looked into if any of the devs are watching, but yeah, I doubt it. But yeah, I do think the atmospheres still need to fix some of the older versions. It looks like they still seem to be messing around a bit. But yeah, there we go. So let's just try, I will try making my good old planet here. So if I was just going to make a new Pascal, I'd immediately go to this, and I would want mostly a red surface, so like that, a sort of, yeah, mostly all red, that's fine. So just different shades of red, and then the atmosphere would be green, like so. The water's already fine, and then cloud color, I always have a white. Then now I can do city lights, which we could never do before. So now we can add our city lights on. So always, there we go. I have clicked always. Earth, no, we want that. City lights on, there we go. So city lights are on. So there we go. So they are now added, and then I would make them green. So city light color, that's how I'd make my Pascal now. So sort of quick, easy Pascal. I think probably do need to tweak the oceans a little bit more. So there we go. And then just like this. So yeah, just a sort of demo of the new update in action doing all this as well. It's not just me making my silly old Pascal. So, I mean, that's just a quick job. I mean, I'll definitely tweak it around a lot more than this. But that's roughly what I would go for with the red surface, the green. I mean, I can compare it to my good old versions of it as well, just as a comparison. So, there it is. So, yeah, you can see roughly compared to the old one. The old one had a little more green on it, a little more ocean. But, I mean, that's roughly... You can see, yeah, I've roughly got the colours exactly how I would have done them before. So, in theory, all I need to do is add more ocean. So, you can see that's still a little buggy with the oceans and stuff. But, yeah, there we go. So, that's roughly how I'd do my Pascals in the regular version. That's a quick sort of job right there. But, yeah, there we go. So, that is the update in action. So, atmosphere colour, obviously, that was already a feature. You can change the cloud colour. City light color, I mean, how cool is that? And then don't forget the galaxies as well. Really, really cool additions. Very, very nice job to the developers there. And yeah, I look forward to seeing more updates in the future. I mean, that's really cool. Very, very nice indeed. And yeah, guys, this was update 25.2, sorry. So yeah, there we go down there. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my sort of review of this update, or just in-depth guide and just looking into all of the stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed that. So let's see if we can go for 40 likes on today's video, guys. And also make sure to subscribe if you're new. Helps on the journey to 15,000 subscribers, guys. And a massive thank you for watching today. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.